If you're trying to figure out a way to introduce AI into your organisation, then what you need is a tangible and actionable plan. Something that's low risk and can provide big benefits. I've produced a one-page document on PowerPoint that you can see below, and this is all the important elements that you need. Your employees will have ideas about how to adapt ChatGPT in order to help their work. You can ask employees to submit the best use cases. You could even have something called a hackathon, where everybody tries to complete business challenges using ChatGPT, and then you can record the benefits. But also, because of privacy reasons, some organisations won't be able to implement ChatGPT just as a normal product. They will have to have their own internal version. And this is to stop any data leakage out with the organisation. Now, you'll be able to do this a number of ways. Probably the best way is using a cloud provider such as AWS and using their Bedrock service. You can then put a user interface in front of that and then roll it out to your users. And this way you can try different models, as well as making sure that the access is correct and that you've got no data leakage and no security problems. But also, there's another way. It might not be suitable to roll out ChatGPT to all employees. Perhaps, for example, say in a customer call centre, you might want to use a more structured approach and use IT development using one of the, say, ChatGPT APIs. What this could allow customer service representatives to do is to actually see on screen what their suggested next response should be. And this can be based on the best responses available within the knowledge of the organisation. Now, this can be tremendously powerful, and indeed there have been studies that have shown that it's increased customer satisfaction, and not only that, it's actually increased the call throughput by 14%. If you want to read more about that, you'll find that study below. There's also another way. Microsoft will be introducing a product called CoPilot, and this will be available on the 1st of November. There's two major things that this software will allow users to do. It will allow them to create documents based on lots of different sources of information. For example, you can use everything within your email with everything from a meeting and combine that and use your CoPilot to actually produce a conclusion or some sort of way forward. But not only that, the CoPilot will be seamlessly introduced into Microsoft Teams, and it will have the ability to transcribe every word that is said in every meeting. Now, this opens up another set of opportunities, where if people have joined the meeting late, then they can just get an automatic update about what they missed. At the end of the meeting, a summary of all the notes can be produced and sent out to all the attendees. And then also, if, for example, within the meeting, they need to follow up and find some information, the CoPilot can actually reach out and find this information while the meeting is in progress. So as you can see, the power of all this will be huge in the coming years.